Hello, my friends, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you the February 2020 Scentsy Warmer and Scent of the Month, and I'm so excited for this. It's something that's completely different that Scentsy has ever had, at least in the 3 years I've been a consultant, and it's something I'm really kind of excited to share with you. So let's get right into it, shall we? All right, so let me show you the brochure for this month. This is what the brochure is going to look like. This is the warmer. It's super, super gorgeous. This is called By the Candlelight is the name of the warmer for the month. And you can see the inside of the brochure. I love how Scentsy is now switching over to, it shows not just the scent of the month, but also sort of the breakdown of the top notes, the middle notes, and the bottom notes of these. It's kind of fun. So let's talk about the scent of the month first, right? It's called Strawberry Rose. I gotta say, I was a little bit nervous about this because I'm not typically a floral person. Florals tend to be a little bit strong for me, just my own nose. I know everybody's nose is different, but just me personally, I typically shy away a little bit from the very strong floral notes. So I will tell you, to kind of break this down, the top notes for this are strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry. So you got that really fresh, kind of nice blueberry and berry scents. The mid notes are rose petals and plum blossom. And then the base notes for this are clean musk, airy ozone, and woods. So you kind of have that sort of like rustic bottom notes, and then you sort of have the florals on top and then the berries. So this is what it looks like. It's called Strawberry Rose. This is what it looks like. Nice pink color, perfect for Valentine's Day for February. So first glance, I was kind of like, all right, I could see this, like rose colored, yeah. Let me tell you, I always smell the bottom of the bar. What I kind of get more from this is a strawberry candy that I used to have as a kid that was sort of, it was a round candy and it was mixed with like a vanilla swirl in it. Do you guys remember these? I don't even know if that candy exists anymore. It's almost like sort of a creamy strawberry scent. That's what my overpowering scent is when I first smell this. You can pick up a tiniest bit of sort of a floral note in there. I don't know that it's rose. It's not a super strong rose petal scent or anything like that. It's more like when I walk by my neighbor's rose bushes in the summertime, that sort of light scent that I get as I walk past them. Not overpowering at all on the floral notes, and I really don't pick up a lot of the musk, which musk is another scent I typically shy away from. I don't pick that up at all. I would say the strongest scent for me in this would be the berries, particularly the strawberry. So I'm really kind of loving this scent. I cannot wait to warm this one because I think it's really going to be a nice sort of light, refreshing, almost little romantic scent. Perfect for Valentine's Day in February. All right, so let me tell you about this warmer that we have, right? This is something totally different that Scentsy has ever done. And I feel like some people, when they first saw it, they were kind of taken aback because it is so different from Scentsy. But I will tell you, the styling and the possibilities for this and personalizing it to make it your own is unlike anything I've ever seen from any Scentsy warmer before. So I'm going to show you the first surprise that I had when I opened the box. This is the warmer box. If you're familiar at all with Scentsy warmers, you're going to notice that this is the teeniest, tiniest little warmer box. It almost looks like one of our mini warmer boxes, doesn't it? This is a full-size warmer. Now, it's about the same size as maybe our etched core warmer, if you guys are familiar with that at all. But the reason why the box is so tiny is that this warmer is plastic. Unusual, right? So normally all of our Scentsy warmers are either glass, ceramic, porcelain, something like that. That's kind of got some weight to it because it's heavy and it's breakable. The key here is that the only breakable part of this is the wax dish, which is pretty cool because they can really decrease the amount of packaging. We don't have to have the big styrofoam pieces. And so the box really just fits the warmer. It's kind of cool, actually. So this is what the warmer box looks like. I wanted to share this with you because when people pull it out the first time, they're kind of like, did I get like a pint-sized warmer? Like, what's up with this? Here's the reason why. Look at this warmer. I love the simplicity of this warmer. Look at this. So this warmer it's called By the Candlelight. Yes, I had to double check that. It's By the Candlelight. It is one of the LED candle warmers that are so on trend right now. When you go to any kind of like Home Goods or TJ Maxx, like any of the places that you can pick up a lot of the home decor pieces, this is the stuff that you see on their shelves right now. So this is made out of plastic, which also means it's crazy lightweight, like super lightweight. I mean, it feels like I'm not holding much in my hand at all. And it's very, very smooth finish. So it's not got like ridges or anything like that on it. which also, because of the personalization factor, you could, if you have a Cricut or a friend that has a Cricut, you could make some really cool vinyl personalization here and put like a name on it. Or how cool would it be to have like a wedding date on here with a new married name on here? This would be perfect for like a bridal shower or a baby shower. This is great for any holiday season, I feel like. I honestly got to tell you, this is probably the very first warmer I've ever seen from Scentsy, and I love me some Scentsy warmers. This is probably the first warmer I've ever considered buying multiples of, because you can use this in all different rooms of your house, in all different sets of decor. So I'm going to show you a few examples at the end of my video of ways that other people have styled their particular warmer of By the Candlelight. And it's really amazing. You can really just use your imagination and run with whatever decor and style that you love, which is really kind of cool. So let me show you just the basics of this warmer. This is our dish that comes with it. It's just slightly frosted. This is a glass dish. This is the only part of this warmer that is breakable. So you want to just be careful with this part. This is, of course, where your wax is going to set into. Now, this warmer is an element warmer, meaning that this right here is a plate that warms when you have the warmer plugged in. This is the part that's going to melt the wax because your tray is going to sit right down on top of that piece. Now, the bottom of this does not have a light bulb, so you don't have to worry about changing light bulbs in this, whatever. There is LED lights down here in the bottom. That's how we're going to get this great candle flicker effect. I love this part. This is my favorite. Now, a couple of things. If you're familiar with Scentsy warmers, because I want to kind of give you guys the full details, you'll see that the cord is slightly different. Most of our, actually all of our, full-size warmers have a toggle switch. If you're familiar with Scentsy, you'll know what I'm talking about. They have a toggle switch on the cord itself that you can rock sort of back and forth to turn it off and on. This is our first one that has an on-off switch actually on the warmer itself. And you'll notice that the cord is slightly different from our typical Scentsy cords. That's just because of the way that this was put together. It was a little bit more complicated, believe it or not. Even though it looks very simple from the outside, it's a little more complicated for Scentsy to put together because of the warming plate and the LED candlelight flicker. They had to use different electrical things for this. So that's why it looks a little bit different, and that's why we have the on-off switch here, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna turn this on, and I know I will promise this is not gonna be the best effect probably for you on my phone just because it's kind of bright in here, but you kind of see, look how pretty. You can really get that glow. And I tell you what, at nighttime when it's dark outside, I don't know if this will help. I have a light on over here. Kind of, there we go. So that helps a little bit too. You can really get that beautiful candlelight flicker effect. And you'll notice this warmer is not a complete bright white. It's not a, like a snow white color, right? It's more of a, almost like an off-white ivory, I guess you could call it. I don't have anything here. Let's look and see. The back of my flyer is a pure white color. So you can kind of see the difference in the shades there. So it's a really nice piece that you can use for almost any kind of decor, and it's gonna match with this. So I'm gonna show you a couple different ways. So stay tuned to see a few different ways of how other people have styled this warmer. And I just tell you, this is gorgeous. I'm so excited for this warmer. I think it's just simple and it's beautiful and it's gonna have these great qualities because you're gonna get that scent of a candle, right? And you're gonna have that look of a candle, especially at nighttime with the candlelight flickering. I'm gonna turn it back on. So you're gonna get that beautiful ambiance, but you're gonna have the safety of the Scentsy warmer. You're not gonna have that open flame. You're not gonna have that soot being released into your air. You're gonna have just that nice scent from the wax melting and just warming. So I really love that we kind of have the best of both worlds in this warmer. So is it simple? Yes. But that's kind of what I love most about it. So I hope you guys love this warmer as much as I do. If you have any questions about it, please comment below. I'd be happy to help you out with trying to find one of your own. Or if you have a Scentsy consultant already, make sure you're contacting them to get in touch with them to pick up one of these beauties because they are guaranteed for February. After that, they are while supplies last only. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will talk to you next time.